So this is how I personally envision creating a new company, right? You have a product, so you create a new product and you run an analysis on it. So I've actually done these analyses here in the past, but I'm gonna replay it here again. So basically I have a black hole surfer. I have a product called CCash Trading Bot. I have a currently macro trades bot cash Maximus, which is my best product yet. I have a version 4.5 patch 1 and analyze for free. Okay, so what it will do is it will create this analysis. And in order to actually go the next step, it will say, okay, let's go and start a company. Okay, so we're going to start a company. We're going to call it, well, whatever goes in there. Joe's Trading Company. Okay, company. And whenever I'm done with this, I basically log in into that company. So I'm going to log into something that doesn't have a lot of stuff in there. Let's see. Let's use Elon Musk. Okay, we're gonna log in right here. And now we have a graph view of all my entire company. So in this case, this is just a simulation. But now I have a company and I can actually create new products. So what I would do is I'll run a tool over here, and this tool will scan my Windows, Macintosh, or Linux boxes and create CIs in this particular view here. So all these I either discovered. So if I actually limit this by show automated, so every single one of these, including the company here, was created via automation. And if I wanted to then just specify details about it, so let's say I'll take this one and I'll just specify what this particular CI is doing. I'm gonna cancel this. And let's see if I have any actual business services. So let's do that. And I have car services. So if I have a Tesla, I can say, okay, placing this car into service. Let's see, back in February, and it was maybe on the second. So I bought that car, and it was costing me, well, I guess the service itself was costing me $1,200. I just did a Volvo service, and it's about what it cost me. So I'm gonna save that change, and I'm gonna go back to the graph view over here, and I'm gonna limit that. I'm gonna say, okay, give me only Tesla and give me only business services. So now I have a bit car service, and I want to make sure it's actually related, because from what I understand is that this was not related to anything. No, it is. So now I have everything here in my company. And when I click on this guy here, it just tells me, okay, this is Tesla. If you want to add a little bit more information on there, you can say, give me more. But I'm gonna go back and basically say, hey, I don't actually have any tickets created for this company. So I can create a new incident, and I'm gonna associate that particular service like this right here. Make sure to take the car info service. It's gonna be pretty high severity because it needs to happen. It's assigned to Elon Musk or Daniel Husky, whoever wants to do it, or Black Hole Support. And we're going to expect to have it fixed next week by the 30th. Okay, so we're just going to do that, April, and get it done. Maybe at this location. And then give some address, blah, blah, blah. Okay, address. Yeah. So now we have an incident, and I can look at this incident from this perspective to say, okay, what do I have? Okay, I have this one here, it's open. I have other ones that are in progress and open. I need to probably take this. I need to probably close this one because it's been open for a while. It just never happened. So we're gonna close this and save it. So this guy is now closed, and we just have this one open, the one that's in progress. We've already done the upgrade, so more upgrades are done. So we're actually gonna close this again. We're gonna say, yeah, this is closed. And now we're left with this one thing that I need to take care of today. Open status for Blackload Server support. Again, if I go back here, because there's an association with a product here, so I'm gonna say which product is actually affected, and it's gonna be Tesla model here in my deluxe server. So we're gonna add that CI, so we now know that this particular CI needs to be addressed. Car Tesla, Tesla Model 3 Deluxe, and go back to the graphical view, and I want to find this particular car, which is, just gonna say, Tesla Model Deluxe. And what do I have associated with it? Well, it's these tickets right here. So this one is still open, so I'm gonna basically need to take care of it. Unfortunately, I put the view link way over here on the bottom. So, but you can bring it back up. So this is how I'm handling companies, incidents, products, and so on. Of course, you need to have a normalization. So normalization is happening here. We do have one Tesla Inc., which is a company that is fine. And we're going to normalize that. So normalization right here. We're going to say, yeah, it's a category, it's a company. Company. Again, type, organization. And there is no model for a company, and there is no version for a company. So we're just gonna say, okay, this is good enough. Tesla Inc. Save it, and now it's normalized. Okay, so we actually can look at the manufacturers and normalized list over here, and we can see the Tesla Inc. has been normalized for the product vehicle. Now I need to do this though before it actually gets normalized. So I'm gonna just push select it and we're done. Okay. So again, back to manufacturers. We have maybe one mismatch. So Mac Mini. Okay, what is that? It's a computer. Hardware, workstation, item. It's a computer Mac Mini version. Okay, what it was. It's like this right here. And save that. And now it's also normalized. So this is how I approach company to product and employees. So here under company view, you also have people that are making money. So what we want to do is we're gonna manage payroll for these people. So we're gonna say, does Elon Musk have a social security number? Yes, he does. Does Daniel have a social security number? Yes, he does. So we're just gonna run this payroll, and now I'm able to generate a current W2 for everyone. Just gonna go here and say, okay, how much is Elon Musk making? And we're gonna see, okay, it's quite a bit of money because I just put down $1 million a month. So that's where it's at.